This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 370 FLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new Grand Design is 41 feet 6 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a river rock interior, sleep 6, Colorado Detector, Awning, smoke detector, microwave, oven, air conditioning, LP detector, water heater, refrigerator, leveling jacks, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 370 FLS is 11,884 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.